Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM-FM-8 track out of a 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. This comes from Todd in Woburn, Massachusetts. My goodness, that's a long way to send your job to me. Thank you so much for your business from clear across the country. That's almost more than across the country. So Todd has requested the modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth, USB and HD radio features, so we're here to, and he's also ordered my cool master input output box that has all your 4-channel preamp outputs, a subwoofer output, and this is your aux input here. So that's a neat little feature there. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure everything works before we send it back. I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I receive.
Or when you get up after sitting,
and we're going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions. First thing,
chiropractic can help. Call 928-778-7999.
Okay, first we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader, which we do by first we turn our tone control to about the center position, then we give it 2 quick turns to the right. So let's try that.
Prescott Preferred Chiropractic, your head, shoulders, knees, and toes clinic.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm
front,
Sandy from Yavapai County
rear,
Contractors Association,
front,
and I say
rear,
don't start without us. When you call YCCA,
Fader set.
Okay, left, right, balance.
So you'll know who to call for all your construction.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Small. If you
Left,
need work done on your home
right,
office, one call
left,
does it all.
right,
Call me,
okay.
778-0040, Yavapai County Contract.
Balance set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
It's the American dream.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Let's make sure it plays music stored on a USB stick.
Steve Lynch, owner of Heritage Roofing, where you have options from repairs to rejuvenation.
Having fun, driving my classic ride. Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
Your roof, which comes with a
Alrighty.
5-year warranty.
I'm gonna switch antennas here just for fun. I'm not real. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to station to my ear for a quick test. So here we are on FM now.
And know that the roof.
Okay, there's our FM. Let's try the 8-track.
Pairing not completed.
Okay, that's because the pairing did not complete, so we didn't do it. Okay, blank spot there.
If you're feeling low down, if you're gonna put her down, here's where
And Cadillac is the only radio that has a pull-to eject switch built into the volume control. So that's your eject mechanism. Just pull on the volume control. So we already know the dial light works because on this radio, the dial light, the only way you can see the tuning dial is to have the dial light working. So this customer's requested an LED installed in place of the original dial. I thought it would just blow me out here because that LED is so bright, but it seems to be pretty decent. So looks okay, but I will send Todd back the original dial light in case he wants to go back with that soft orangish glow. So that takes care of the radio. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off that website before calling me with a whole lot of questions about my options, prices, and turn times, because that's all in the work order, and it'll answer those questions as you're filling it out. Once you've got a work order in your hand, I'm very, very happy to talk to you. If you want to give me a call just to get to know me and trust me a little bit, that's fine. To ask a question that the work order didn't answer, that's fine. But please don't hit me with the same 15-minute barrage of questions from each new customer. What all do you offer and how much does it cost? That's all in the work order, so please consult that before contacting me. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. And thanks again to Todd for his business all the way between Massachusetts and Arizona. And we'll see you next time.